To order something from Best Buy, start by going to their website through any web browser. Ensure you are logged in or signed into your account. Browse through the website to find the item you wish to order. Then select the Add to Cart option. Once you've added the item, click on Go to Cart, which will provide you with two options: having the item shipped to your address or picking it up at a store. Choose the shipping option, and you will be given two checkout options: using a PayPal account or continuing to checkout without one. If you choose to continue with checkout, you will need to enter your shipping address, including your first name, last name, phone number, address, and city. Review your order summary, then click Continue. You can pay using a gift card if you have one, or add a credit or debit card. Scroll down and click Continue again. You will then be taken to a review page where you can verify the details of your order, including shipping address, delivery details, item, and payment method. After reviewing, click Place Order. For security purposes, if you've entered a credit or debit card, you may be asked to verify the payment. A verification code will be sent to your phone number or email address, so choose your preferred method. Once you receive the code, enter it to complete the verification process. This completes the ordering process from Best Buy.